Here we are on Guam, without a hope for snow, and through the swaying palms a typhoon sure can blow. Santa surely knows what the tropics will allow. Instead of using 8 reindeer, he'll use a carabao. Jingle bells, coconut shells, sticker buds all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a two-wheel carabao sleigh. Hey, jingle bells, coconut shells, sticker buds all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a two-wheel carabao sleigh. Although it's December, it feels just like July. The season spirit grows each day, 'cause everyone is wearing a lei. And when the tropic sun lights up all the Christmas trees, you can feel it in the air that Christmas time is here. Jingle bells, coconut shells, sticker buds all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a two-wheel carabao sleigh. Hey, jingle bells, coconut shells, sticker buds all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a two-wheel carabao sleigh. Jingle bells, coconut shells, sticker buds all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a two-wheel carabao sleigh. Hey, jingle bells, coconut shells, sticker buds all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a two-wheel carabao sleigh. Jingle bells, coconut shells, sticker buds all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a two-wheel carabao sleigh. Hey, jingle bells, coconut shells, sticker buds all the way.